I lost 180 pounds, and during maintenance, some of the weight came back. This series documents losing 20 pounds realistically without panic, punishment, or starting over. Y'all, I never know what I'm going to wake up to in my bed. I go to sleep, and they dogs get up and down, and whatever. I washed these, and when I went to bed, nothing was in my bed. I wake up with a squeaky ball, a tube stick, and that. No idea what that is. Oh, hi, lady. She's like, oh, I want to be on the camera because I want to be here. So evidently, somebody probably licked something that they shouldn't have or something. I don't know. But anyway, look at these. You know what? When I look at them, not on the camera, I don't see how gray they are. But whenever I use this, it highlights their ghost face, their sugar face, where I kissed away all the sugar. Let me kiss you. Let me kiss you, girl. Let me kiss you. I kiss you. Kiss away all that. I kissed away all your color, Callie. Look, she's like, you can kiss me, but I want you to pet me. All right. Anyway, they just ate. But yeah, I had to show you that. I never know. That's not a turd. That's just a chew toy over there, by the way. But even if it was a turd, I'd still love them. I freaked this one out because I moved his dog bowl. But he's been eating so wild that food pops out. And it goes underneath that thing. And then Sammy can get to it, but this one's too chicken. So hang on. Let me get them their morning after they eat their breakfast. Or their... Hang on. Cut them off. Why you got to do me like that? There we go. After they eat, they get a cookie. Well, half of one. There you go, Miss Ma'am. Oop, Sammy Joe. Gentle. Oh, baby shark. He hurts so much when he catches my skin. Anyway, I'm about to make my morning coffee. Yesterday I made it and it wasn't so bad because I used less actual coffee. So I'll try it again today. All right, well, I don't know what I'm going to get into. It's only 6:30, so yeah, bye. So listen, tomorrow morning, our church has been, they had to redo kind of the timing and structure of our church. And so I have kids' church at 10, so I'm going to be going to my church at 8, my service. So these are the chicken, egg, and Parmesan pieces that I made yesterday. They've already been baked, but I'm not going to fry them. Instead, what I'm going to do is just keep them in the refrigerator. We'll take a little taste. Yeah. They're soft. So they're not fried. It's kind of like, have you ever baked your French fries? And you know that has a different texture than frying your French fries. So that's what that texture is. Anyway, it's 8:40. I'll probably be done by 9. I'm getting hungry. So I've got my thing heating up. Where'd it go? We're going to have these little slices of pork belly. I know I'm talking with my mouth full. Anyway, that's what we're having. But so the moral of the story is that chicken, we're going to eat that tomorrow. Like on the way to church. I have to make creamies today. What else is on my list? Oh, yeah. That one's still haunting me. I know if I do it, I'll feel better. I'll clean my stovetop at some point because all my, the meat pops out, and that's all from yesterday. But it's good, like when you have it heated up, that's the perfect time to wipe it off. Anyway, I'll have to clean the microwave. It's not dirty. Bathroom, maybe. Already did laundry and sheets yesterday. Dust, This is for the whole week, so I do trash on Thursday, recycle on Sunday. Have to wash the dog bowls, organize spare room shelves, and dust the fans and lights. I actually did that the other day. I don't know why I did it, but I did it. But let's. You all, I have videos of whenever I de-hoarded this room. It's looking a little overwhelming right now. I bought that because I thought it'd give Callie some traction to get in the bed. But my Roomba keeps dying. It gets stuck on it. This is like my nice bedding when people come over. That's a swimming suit. I don't know why that's out. And then some point I decided I need a steamer. Oh, probably because I was crocheting something. And there's my Ninja Creamy stuff. Extra parts. Water that I bought. So, I mean, the shelves are fine. They don't need organized. Now, the rest of this, like, you know, since they said we're going to blue shirts at church, kids' church, I have all these extra shirts. I mean, I can wear them whenever, but they're long sleeved. And then pillows that should go with that. And anyway, so, yeah, my shelves are not the problem that need organized. Now, ask me if I'm going to do it. The answer is probably no. A big fat no, I don't feel like it. Yeah. So, yeah, this is when I say my storage room, this is my storage room. Look at that handsome face. And this is, I keep all my church. This is like all my church and Jesus kind of shirts. I did that yesterday. And this is my Red Hat Lady shirt. This is just drying. Oh, this is that shirt that I got dots on. I need to take it to Mom's. Maybe she can get it out. And then this side is work shirts. And then like jackets. Like if I find that I'm getting really cold at work, I need to take those into my room. But anyway, so yeah. So, and work shirts meaning just t-shirts. So, and sweatshirts. Watch out, buddy. So anyway, yeah, this is what the hoarder / spare room is looking like. But anyway, I'm about to make breakfast. It's, like I said, I'll be eating. Come on, boy. I'll be eating around 9-ish, maybe. We'll see. But look at her. Hey, beautiful girl. Sis. She's like, don't talk to me. I'm focused. So yesterday, I ate, I think at 10. And I was good until 4:30. Yeah, I think 4:30 is whenever. And I was good. So I thought I'd try something today. Instead of 4 eggs with the pieces of pork belly, how about I try 3 eggs? Still have cheese on it, but so I've got 3 eggs. That's the oven over there, or the skillet's still cooling down. So I have 4 pieces of half pieces of pork belly, and then eggs with a piece of cheese on it. Oh, tomorrow's Palm Sunday. I got an alert on my phone. So anyway, I wanted to try this and just see, okay, because what I'd love eventually to learn how much is enough. Now, I don't know. I ain't saying I'll do that every day, but I'd love to learn how much food does Terri need. Terri, not Tom, Dick, or Jane. How much food does Terri need to stay satisfied enough until 4:30? So I'm trying this today, and we'll see what happens. Come on, eggs and cheese, they're delicious. I might have got a little too much salt on my pork belly, but the answer is yes. Yes, I did. Anyway, so that's what I'm eating. I don't know what I'll get into today. Definitely some gaming. Sammy keeps running outside, so evidently there's something that keeps showing up on the other side of the fence. He was laying in the bedroom on top of the bed, and I've got the curtain open. So he'll take off running. I keep trying to go look, but I can't catch it before he gets out the door. So, anyway, all right then. I'm going to eat. Come on, now why you got to do me like that? Don't do me like that. So, I don't know how I'm going to do it, but I was talking to my friend and Sherry, and we were talking about, she's like, you should get some shirts for your channel. And I'm like, shirts? So we talked about a few of them. Like, so I don't know how and who and all that, how all that stuff works, but because I don't want to order them and have them here because, you know, there's too many sizes and stuff like that. But I think it'd be fun to have something like socially satisfied. Like, I'm done with humans. I'm socially satisfied. I'm staying at home. Or what's consumed in the dark will show in the light. So it kind of can go two ways. One, food. If I do a whole bunch of eating of the easy cheese, the dog's easy cheese, whenever I'm not recording, it'll show it. How did I say it the other day? What we consume in the dark will be revealed in the light. So yeah, so eating the easy cheese, when I get on the scale, or just eating bad foods, it's going to show in the light on my face or on the scale. But also, you know, the not so nice things we do in secret in dark will be revealed in the light. And Jesus. So anyway, and then so yeah, we talked about those two. Not really sure what else, but anyway, so I got some research to do. I don't know what else. I think there was one more she said, but I don't remember. But anyway, yeah, so we talked about that. So like I said, I got to get the details figured out and see how all that kind of stuff worked. But it'd be kind of fun to have just some random Terri merch. Here's a new one. For me, anyway. I feel done. 3 eggs, cheese, and 2 pieces of my pork belly I ate. And these other 2 are left. That's not me. It's pretty cool. I'm not somebody that leaves food on my plate. Huh. How about them apples? That's pretty wild. Well, I'm going to have to break those up and y'all know who's going to get them. Hang on, I'll show you. I did wipe off some of the salt. And one of them is very thick, so I broke that one in 2 pieces. Here you go, my lady. Gentle. So, there we go. It's all gone. Lick my fingers if you want. So yeah, that just happened. I mean, sometimes I save a bite for them. If I know ahead of time, I'll make extra. But, all right, so 3 eggs and basically 1 big piece of pork belly. We'll see how long it lasts. You know how when you swallow a pill sideways, it kind of makes you feel weird all day? I've had that. And then I kind of felt like this excess gas in my chest. So I took some Mylanta and it got better. Still a little bit, but it's better. So it ain't hard. I know it ain't hard. I know how that feels. Hang on. Ziggy, turn on craft light.
Okay.
So I did, because I couldn't figure out what was wrong earlier. So I did have one of my chicken sausages earlier. Because I thought, well, maybe that'll make it feel better. And I'm having the other one now because I had 2 left. And so this is one of those cases where it's open. I want to just go ahead and eat it and be done with it. It has some pretty thick casing on it, that's for sure. I had to really jab it to get my fork to go through to break it up. So anyway, 8 ounces of 80/20 from, I guess it was Friday night maybe? Yeah, Friday night. Because yesterday I ate all, no, that would have been last night. From Thursday evening. So this is 8 ounces of 80/20 and then 1 chicken dog. Chicken broth. It's only $3.30. I fed the dogs. I was like, you know what? While I'm feeding them, why don't I just feed me? And then I'll be done. But yeah, that's what I've had today. I could have gone without the brat earlier and now, but I'm having it. So my calories are that makes up for giving those 2 pieces of pork belly to the dogs. I'm pretty sleepy today. So I did make my creamies, and I did not vacuum. Next week's Terri can deal with that. To be fair, I have a Roomba, and it runs 5 to 7 days a week. But I do need to do a little bit more. I need to vacuum myself at least every other week. That's all right. We ain't worried about it. This is apple. It's supposed to be chocolate, peanut butter, and apple. Okay, I see the chocolate peanut butter on the bottom. I was like, well, that top looks pretty light colored up there. And let's give it a taste. Definitely the apple part. When I dig deeper, I get the chocolate peanut butter. So chocolate, peanut butter, and apple. Oh! One of the creamies I made today for this week is it's the pumpkin spice caramel mixed with salted caramel. I think that ought to be interesting. So I'll see how that goes. But all right, I love y'all. I'm tired. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.